All right, attempt number 93. All right, number 94. Heavy, heavy. Come on. $95. Start from the front. Oh my God. Yes. All right, guys. All right, let's open it. I'm going to set this core. Where am I going to put it? Keep it inside, Bill. Keep it. Oop, all the way, all the way, all the way. Well, I am zoomed all the way out. All right, I'm going to have to take this guy. Just set him right over there. All right, guys, that took me, I think I was on 95 attempts on this best lock. Now I'm going to take the screwdriver and just turn the actuator. Hopefully, nope, I got to get that out of there. Now I will turn the actuator. All right, guys, best locks. Let's talk about these guys. Why was I silent? Well, because I've got almost 100 attempts in trying to pick this darn thing. My opinion on best locks are that they are about 95% luck and about 5% skill. Maybe 98% luck and 2% skill. And that skill is don't stab yourself in the hand with your pick. And here's why. You grab this guy. These guys are multi-shear line locks. In other words, there is an operating key, which turns it, the key turns normally, usually 90 degrees, sometimes 180, and then, of course, you get, the lock will open normally. And then there's something called a control shear, which is what I just, by pure random luck, hit. And as you see, it turned just a little bit. In fact, that's the maximum right there. That's all it turned. And what that does is it retracts a little locking pawl right here. I hesitate to turn him back because then I'll have to pick the darn thing again. Anyway, the locking pawl is here, and that's what holds him. I will do it. That's what holds him inside the lock. You notice that when you look down the side, nothing protrudes, but when I turn it back, if I can turn it back, you notice how he kind of pops out there? And that is what holds this core inside of these locks. There's a little ledge in there that he locks up against. All right, here's the deal. Multi-shear line. Two very distinct and separate shear lines. If you pick the operating shear line, which opens the lock, on 6 of the pins, but you accidentally overpick or underpick that 7th pin to the control shear line, nothing happens. You get a fail. Likewise, if you pick everything to the control shear line except one of them, you can pick to the operating shear line, again, total 100% failure. So what I'm saying is you have to pick to the exact shear line in order to get, in this case, the control shear line to get it to remove the core. Your chances are really not very good, and here's why. There's the bottommost position, so that's 1. There's the control shear, that's 2. There's the operating shear, that's 3. And then on some of these, on pin 4 and 6, there's actually an additional pin, probably a master keying pin. So on 2 of these pins, there are 4 possible positions, and on all the rest of the pins, all the other 5, there are 3 possible positions. Now remember, the odds of you hitting the exact shear line, well, it took me 90 some odd tries, and it was pure luck to hit the control shear. But we got it open. I hated to bypass that guy. I hated to go right by him, but I am trying to move through this thing logically. There you go. Lock number, I believe it's number 4, off of the treasure chest from Lock Picking Lebowski. What a nasty lock. Thanks for your time, guys. Stay safe. Stay legal.